Aluminum tube folding machines are essential tools for manufacturers in the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. These fully automatic machines fold or crimp the end of an aluminum tube to create a tight seal that prevents the contents from leaking out or being exposed to air. They can handle a range of tube sizes and materials, making them versatile and efficient. Thanks to their advanced control system and automation, these machines can fold and seal many tubes per minute, making them ideal for high-volume production environments where speed and efficiency are key. In fact, some machines can fold and seal up to hundreds of tubes per minute, ensuring that manufacturers can meet their production goals and maintain high-quality standards. Overall, the aluminum tube folding machine is an essential investment for manufacturers who prioritize quality, precision, and high production speed in their manufacturing processes.